Your success will be their karma. You are going to go in a very transformational period of your life. You're going to go into your winning season. You're moving towards your soft era. Now, some of you are like, you always say that. I hear that all the time. It's not happening. Life is what you make it. Your soft era could include having naps, taking time out, going for a stroll, not stressing over the little things that you used to stress over, not allowing certain people around you that trigger you, that bring you stress. I do feel that you will be pouring into yourself. You will be giving yourself the love and attention that you deserve. You'll be treating yourself. Some of you can go on a shopping spree. Some of you can go and get coffee weekly. There is an energy of you really tending to yourself. And I feel like you could have been around individuals who enjoyed watching you suffer, who enjoyed watching you struggle, who enjoyed the fact that you may not have been looking after yourself in the best way that you could have. These individuals enjoyed the fact when you complain to them about how things weren't going well for you, you may have noticed a certain smirk, or you may have noticed that they wanted to hear more about the bad things that were occurring in your life. And every time you spoke to these individuals, they were always asking about what's going on in your life, hoping and praying to hear that something was bad. But justice will be served on your behalf. You are going to receive your good karma. You are going to receive many downloads of creative ideas. I feel for some of you, you could get a love offer from a crush. For others of you, you may go out on dates. And I feel like you would definitely be pouring yourself into your creativity. You'll be healing your heartbreak. And I feel that you'll be working on your finances. Some of you will be stabilizing a new job. Some of you could actually meet a King of Pentacles type like character who's very stable, very noble, very traditional, who will want to take care of you. Even if you can take care of yourself, this person will want to add to your life as opposed to stressing you out and giving you anxiety and triggering your nervous system. This person is going to want to provide for you and possibly settle down with you as well. I feel like if you've been dealing with someone that was quite mean-spirited, this individual is going to realize that they have not got the same power that they had before. They're going to lose access to you. You could have been dealing with a domineering, controlling individual, or someone who was trying to come up against you to make your life harder than it already was. This person is very obsessed and fixated on you, and I feel like they were watching your every moves and putting stops and blocks to your movements. And I feel like they will no longer be able to do so. Okay, whatever they were able to get away with in the past is no more. If this person held money over you, then they could see that their finances may start to dwindle, is what I'm picking up. I also feel that the blockages that were in the way, that could be mental blockages, that could be blockages put in front of you from other people, making sure you don't get certain jobs, making sure you don't achieve certain goals, making sure you don't go towards someone, making sure you don't access certain funds. These are all going to be removed. I feel like you are going to regain your balance, and those that try to make you feel emotionally unbalanced are going to feel the emotional unbalance that they wanted for you, because they're going to see you glow up. You're going through a massive transformation. You're going to be loving yourself, expressing yourself, your creativity. You're going to be looking good, feeling fabulous, and just simply enjoying life. You're going to start to witness that your manifestations are going to come through. So be very mindful of what you're thinking about during this time, because I feel like you're going to start seeing, especially in this season we are in now, Gemini season, and moving forward, hopefully, I feel like your manifestations are going to start coming into fruition, and Spirit wants you to start manifesting now if you haven't done so already, because you are the embodiment of love, and it's only right that you receive love back in return. Okay, I also feel that you started to lose faith, because you may have started to see that people that had wronged you were winning in life. or certain injustices that you saw occurring around you, you know, were not being nipped in the bud. But Spirit had other plans, you know. Spirit wanted these individuals to think that they were getting away with something, and you were supposed to go on another path. You could have taken the easy route and be as deceitful as these individuals, but you chose to stay on your path, and because of this you will be blessed, and your blessings are going to be witnessed by those that try to hinder you, try to sabotage you, try to discourage you, try to belittle you. You have an amazing life purpose. You are here to heal. You are here to uplift, to inspire, to empower. And for some of you, I feel like you may write a book one day, do some sort of autobiography, or do some sort of public speaking, and you're going to help to heal the collective. And I also feel that you have a lot of gifts that should be shared around the world. Do not hide who you are. This is what people, or those individuals from the past, wanted you to do. They didn't want the world to see how amazing you are. And unbeknownst to them, they're going to have to witness your success. They're going to have to witness you winning. They're going to have to witness you being happy. You know, they're going to have to witness you shining, you gaining all the blessings they tried to snatch from you. They tried to take the crown off your head and stuff it on their own. And you're going to reclaim your power. And they're going to witness it. And that is going to be their karma.